Hi everyone, let's see what we are going to create today. Today we are going to create this slide on PowerPoint. Let's see, we are going to create it under 2 minutes. At first we need to insert a new slide. In our new slide, the text is just some easy text. I'm not going to run it. And then I'm going to use this shape, one, and rotate it. Okay, it's good. Or you cannot rotate it, it's up to you. I want to use them and rotate them, 2 of them, then copied it. You see, when we are going to create it like this, you maybe have some problems because of that. At first group it, then copy the group, and then for the copy we go to rotate and flip it horizontally. Now everything is ready. Now we need to align them and create the shapes. So how we can color them and create them? We need to insert a rectangle also, and another rectangle. Okay, then we select this thing. We need to ungroup it, and we need to ungroup it too. After that, select all of them by Ctrl A, shape outline to none, and then color them up to the color you want. Let's go with this purple, and the front lines, let's go also with this green. But we are going to make some modification by making lower the transparency. We can from format, object, and fill, come here. Now we create it. We copy and paste the text. We copy this slide, we bring these 2 wings out, one up, one down, one up, one down, and then these 2 a little down. I like them to have them. Then we bring it up, copy our text, paste it here, and set the transition to morph. Your slide is ready. Let's have a look. I hope you enjoyed. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.